Hello everybody, today's video I'm going to be fixing my broken wheel. If you didn't watch my header install, I did find out in that video that my driver's side wheel is cracked, and that is why I have been losing air in that tire. I didn't know if I should just try to repair it or just get a whole new wheel, but I ended up just getting a whole new wheel. So I am going to be taking you guys along with me on how I'm going to be replacing and repairing this wheel. Since Conte does not come out with the KMPs in white, I do have to go drop them off to get powder coated, which I'm going to be doing today, and then I'm going to be picking them up whenever they are ready, and then I have to go to the tire shop, get the tire removed, and then mount it back on, and then put my wheel back on, and then get an alignment. So yeah, it's gonna be a little mini adventure to repair this wheel, but mainly I just wanted to give you guys a little unboxing. So here we are. I believe I bought the bronze because it was the cheapest one that they have. Oh my god, there's so many dogs. So I did get it shipped to my house. So it got here like yesterday, I think. I really debated whether to just get brand new wheels, like a different design, different everything for my car, but honestly I'm trying to really focus on the 240 right now. So like I'm trying to conserve my money because I'm not rich. I've never actually ordered Conce's brand new because I did get mine used, so this is like the first time me ordering Conce's myself, so this is cool. It brims at the development of products by translating the customer's physiological feelings and needs into the domain of product design. Next. Oh, look, I get a Conce sticker. Fun. So test your wheels before putting tires. But I am going to make sure, obviously, that they sent me the right spec, which... Oh, look at this. Like I said, this is a first for both of us. Oh, I did not get bronze. I guess I got the gunmetal. Oh my god, it feels so nice and brand new. I love it. Let's take it out. Yeah, okay, so it is right. So the wheel specs on my FRS are 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset. I do get a lot of questions about my wheel specs, and when I actually first got my wheels, I was told they were a 35 offset, but they are not 35 offset. So I said it in the video that they were 35, but they're not. This is a little updated wheel spec video, I guess. And I did double check that it is the right spec in the back, so yeah. 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset. And now I'm just gonna load it up in the back of my trunk and head to Bulletproof because they do close at 1 p.m. today. I was getting ready to leave, but I forgot that I need to take off the center cap because I do want to spray paint it white. Since it is plastic, they can't powder coat plastic. That was it. Now we're good to go. So I just got here. I'm just gonna drop off the wheel real quick and I'll be back. So I did drop off the wheel now, and they said it should be done about 7 to 10 business days, but if it's done sooner I can go pick it up. I would just keep you guys updated when I pick it up and all that jazz. It is 2 weeks later now and my wheel is finally done, so I'm gonna be going to pick it up and finally swapping the tire on it. It has been a journey of 2 weeks. Lately, the past 2 to 3 days, my tire has been losing a lot of air. So it is on its deathbed officially. It was already on its deathbed, but it was like still hanging on. I would probably just fill it up once a week or once like every 2 weeks, depending how much I drive. But now every single time I'm going to drive, it is basically flat. It does hold the air for a little bit, but it does start to leak out. So I think my barrel just got worse. I haven't looked at it. I'm going to assume it got worse, and today when I go to the tire shop later, I'm going to see if my tire is any good still, because if it is losing this much air, I have a feeling that there's a leak in the tire. But I don't think so because it has always just been at a little crack. But I mean, it's been like 3-4 weeks, like almost a month that I've been driving it like this, because I ordered the wheel and then I waited for it to come in and then I dropped it off to get it powder coated. So yeah, it is finally done. So hopefully today I get that all situated because it is not safe no more. And it's annoying. I literally have to fill up my tire every day. I have to go back on E85 soon. That is obnoxious. Okay, let's check the wheel out. Ooh. All white and nice. So I did get it ceramic coated. I don't know if I said that before. It's been a while since I started this video. But I do want to make sure it is my wheel because they had said they were doing another set of Conse's in white. But I just want to make sure. 18 by 9.5 plus 22. I'm guessing this is just the tape. It looks pretty good. It looks good and smooth. The paint looks really good as well. Okay, I'm gonna go in a little bit to the tire shop. And I'm finally going to get an alignment. I always put off my alignment just because I'm like, oh, well, I could just, you know, like I didn't know the set height I was gonna be at, so I never got it. But I think I'm gonna stay at the height that I'm at. I like it. Nice. Look at that. Look at that paint. Ooh. Hello. Okay, my wheel is filthy, but not only was there one crack like I originally had showed, there's another one now. So that is why I was losing air like crazy. Getting the other one done. Okay, so I just got home. Everything feels good. So I am going to be ending the video here. Shout out to Bulletproof. That is where I went to get my wheels done. I don't know if I said it earlier. I'm telling you guys, I filmed this like 2 weeks ago, the beginning of this video, and now I don't remember what I have said or what I haven't said. I'm gonna put on the center cap right now from my old wheel and just plop it on this one. So yeah, so excited. The only clean wheel I have on my car right now. I haven't washed my car just because it's been like raining and it's gonna rain again, so I'm like, ugh, I get lazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.